The Tuscaloosa County School System is reporting more positive COVID-19 cases than any reporting school system in the state of Alabama. That's according to Alabama's K-12 COVID-19 school dashboard. WVUA 23's Chelsea Barton is live with the latest. Chelsea?
Lynn, that's right. Tuscaloosa County School System Superintendent Dr. Carrie Johnson reacted to that statistic today during a virtual meeting. On the Alabama Department of Public Health's website, the K-12 dashboard shows Tuscaloosa County schools reporting 82 positive COVID-19 cases this week. The TCSS website shows 143 students or employees have tested positive for COVID-19 during the October 23rd through November 6th time period. Superintendent Dr. Carrie Johnson says while yes, that number is an uptick, it's not as concerning as it sounds.
I am not concerned that we are leading the state in COVID cases at this point because based on the data that we have from that dashboard, we can't really tell if we're leading the state because it's raw data. Some school systems may have significantly, or they do have significantly less students than we do. We're the 9th largest system in the state. So it's really hard to tell if we're leading the state in cases when we have so many more students than other school systems. So the best thing to do is just continue to watch the numbers that we're putting out, and we're telling you not just how many cases that we have or how many quarantines we have, but what that looks like for us as a system based on the number of students we have enrolled.
Over the last several weeks, we've received multiple reports from Tuscaloosa County School System parents and employees concerning students who've been sent home because of possible exposures, returning to school with doctor's notes permitting them to be back in their classrooms before their designated quarantine times have ended.
Our nurses are required by oath to take those doctor's excuses, and to be honest with you, I'm not going to put my administrators in a position of saying, no, we're not going to take an excuse. When our nurses have to take the excuse, we're all going to be on the same page. But, doctors could write excuses for a number of things. Because of HIPAA, we can't ask a doctor why they have written that letter. And the doctor can't tell us why they've written the letter unless the parent has given them the permission to do so.
We also ask if these students returning to the classrooms with their doctor's excuses are contributing to the uptick in positive cases within the school system.
The answer to that is no. If you will look at our data from this past week, it was just released today. It's the numbers from the past 2 weeks. Our uptick in cases has been directly linked to homecoming parties and Halloween parties. We are still seeing kids are coming to us with positives. They are not getting sick from each other at school.
And from October 23rd to November 6th, a total of 1,209 TCSS students or employees have had to quarantine due to possible COVID-19 exposures. Again, that is a quarantine number. That is not the number of positive cases. Reporting live tonight, Chelsea Barton, WVUA 23 News.